Torque pretest, problem number 4. The diagram indicates all forces acting on a 40-meter beam supported by a pivot placed at the middle. Which of the forces produces the greatest torque? So here we need to calculate the torque produced by each force. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 forces. So I'm going to use the top of this page here to draw a table. And because I have 4 forces, I'm going to draw 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this first column, I'm going to indicate all the forces acting on the system. This second column, I'm going to calculate the torque produced by each force. So remember, the formula is force times where the distance is applied to the fulcrum or pivot. So for F1, the force 1 is 10 newtons. So 10 newtons times the distance where is applied to the fulcrum, which is 4 meters. So the torque here is 40 Newton meter. For the second one, the torque is F2 is 3 newtons times the distance where the force is applied to the fulcrum, which is 20 meters, and that will be 60 Newton meter. The third one is 5 newtons. So torque is 5 newtons times where this force is located to the fulcrum, 4 meters. So that is 4 times 5 is 20 Newton meter. And finally, the fourth force is 4 newtons times the distance to the fulcrum, which is 20 meters. So that will be 80 Newton meter. So compare the torque produced by each of those forces, and you can conclude that the fourth force is the one that, is missing a 0, and the one that produces the greatest torque.